Good morning, children. Let's start today's class. We'll continue the chapter number 5. Before day, we have done addition with carrying. Today also, we'll do the exercise 5D, which is related the addition with carrying. So, these are the sums they have given. First one, they have done it. Second one, let us do 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6, how much, children? 14. So you have to write 4 here. You have to write 4 here and 1 you have to carry. So 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Like that you have to do it. Next one, third one. 8 plus 9, 17. 7. Once column you have to write here and tens part you have to write up in the tens position. So 4, 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 87. Next one, let us go to the next one. That is, you can see that 9 plus 9 is 18. 8 will come down and 1 will go up. So there 1, 2, 3. So 38. Next one, you see that fifth one, 8 plus 2, 10. So 0 will come down, 1 will go up. So 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. So 90. This way you have to do the addition with carrying. Before day also I have explained it. Always ones position you have to keep it down and tens position it will go up. Then you have to count it. So this is the addition we have done with carrying. Let us do the sixth one again. Always you have to count from right side. That means ones side. 9 plus 1 is 10. 0, 1 in the ones position and 1 you have to keep it in tens position. 7, 8, 9. So 90 here. Next one, let us see. This is 90 here. Again I am telling 9 plus 1 is 0. 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 here and 1 you have to keep it here. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. Next one, 7 plus 3, again 10, 0 down, 1 you keep it in tens position. 4 plus 3, how much? 7 plus 1, 8, 80. Next one, let us do 7 plus 6, how much? 13. So 3 will come in the ones position and 1 will go in tens position. 5, 6, 7. So 73. So all these sums you have to do it, and 9, 10, 11, 12, these many sums you have to do as homework. Okay children, now let's start the new one, that is subtracting ones from 2-digit numbers. We will do, this is the page number 77, subtracting ones from 2-digit numbers. So children, let us understand that what is subtracting ones from 2-digit numbers. That means we have to subtraction. Before that we have done the addition, simple additions without carrying. Then we have done with carrying. Now we will do subtracting ones from 2-digit number. How to subtract the 1-digit number from 2-digit numbers. So let us subtract 2 from 56. So you have to write it like that. 56 minus 2. So 6 minus 2, how much? It is 4. And 5 down, nothing is there. So directly 5 will come. Okay. So this is the 54. It is 54. Another one you can say that it is subtraction means going backward, back counting. So this way also you can do it. Or but simpler one is 6 minus 2. First you subtract, then you will get the number 4 and 5 down, nothing is there, so you have to write it here 5. Next one, let us see that subtract 5 from 50. So 50 minus 5. If we will go backward from 50, so how much it will get? 50, 49, then you count 48, then 47, then 46, then 45. So here you have to say that 50 minus 5 is 45. 5. This one you can do because you are not, till now we have not learned with borrowing, so you have to do it with back counting. You can do with back counting also. So this way I have done. For example, again I am writing 40, 50 backward you have to go, 49, 48, 47, 46, then 45. Okay, by back counting also you can do the subtraction. Now let us do some exercises from 5E. 58 minus 3. 8 minus 3, how much? You can draw the lines and do also. Like that, 8 lines you can draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lines you can draw and 3 you cut off. From back side you cut off. Okay. So how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can write here 5. And down, 5 down, nothing is there. So you have to directly write 55. Same thing, this one 6 minus 2 you can do with the help of lines also. 6 minus 2 is 4 and 1 down, nothing is there, directly 1 will come. You have to write here tens and ones, then it will be easy for you. Okay, this one you see that 9 minus 6 is 3 and 8 down, nothing is there, directly 8 will come. Here you write tens and ones. Okay, always you do the subtraction or addition from the right side, that means from the